Welcome to Health Emergencies, Essential English Vocabulary. This lesson covers ambulance, emergency room, first aid, and accident situations. These are critical words and phrases you need to know for real emergencies. Ambulance is the emergency vehicle with lights and sirens that takes sick or injured people to hospital quickly. Emergency room is the hospital department that treats urgent medical problems immediately, also called ER. First aid means immediate emergency care given to injured people before professional medical help arrives. Accident is an unexpected event that causes injury or damage, like car crashes or falls. When calling emergency services, say clearly, "I need an ambulance right now!" Speak slowly and give your exact location. Stay calm even when panicked. At the hospital, tell the receptionist, "I am here for emergency treatment period." They will ask about your problem and help you quickly. Be ready to describe your symptoms clearly. Point to the painful area and say, "It hurts a lot here!" Use simple words like sharp pain, dull ache, or burning feeling. This helps doctors understand your problem. Bandage stops bleeding and protects wounds. Medicine includes painkillers and other treatments doctors prescribe. Always check medicine labels and follow dosage instructions carefully. Antiseptic cleans wounds to prevent infection. Ice pack reduces swelling and numbs pain from sprains or bruises. Apply ice pack wrapped in cloth for 15 to 20 minutes. For car accidents, say, "There was a car accident!" Report location, number of injured people, and accident details clearly to emergency services. Practice these phrases regularly. Stay calm and speak clearly during emergencies. Preparation saves lives. Review ambulance, emergency room, first aid vocabulary often.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.